Friends, gather round. Tonight we dive into the world of blockchain, a word that sounds like something your weird uncle would say after too much kombucha. Imagine this. You, a responsible adult with a surprising amount of disposable income, decide to buy concert tickets. You find a seller online, transfer the money, and then, bam! The tickets never arrive. Turns out the seller was as trustworthy as a politician promising lower taxes. This, my friends, is a problem. We rely on banks and middlemen to handle our money, but they can be slow, expensive, and sometimes as trustworthy as a fox in a henhouse. What if there was a better way? Enter blockchain, the technology that's here to save the day and your concert-going dreams. Imagine a digital ledger like a giant spreadsheet shared by everyone on the network. Every transaction, every little bit of information is recorded on this ledger, and once it's there to stay. Think of it like a permanent tattoo on the internet, but instead of a regrettable decision from your youth, it's proof that you paid for those sweet, sweet concert tickets. No more shady middlemen, no more worrying about your money disappearing into the digital abyss. Blockchain is here to bring trust and transparency to the internet, one transaction at a time. Let's break this down with a scenario even your grandma who still uses AOL can understand. Imagine she wants to buy something online, but she's worried about security and transparency. How can she be sure her money is safe and the transaction is legitimate? Alice wants to buy a lava lamp from Bob because who doesn't love a good lava lamp? But instead of using traditional money, they decide to use digital currency. With blockchain, their transaction goes something like this. It's a bit like a digital handshake that everyone can see and verify. 1. Alice sends Bob some digital money. Let's call it blockchain bucks. She uses her digital wallet to initiate the transfer. 2. This transaction is broadcast to the entire network of computers. Think of it as announcing to a room full of people that you're making a deal. 3. Computers on the network, called miners, verify the transaction and add it to a block of transactions. These miners are like digital accountants, making sure everything checks out. 4. This block is added to the blockchain, a permanent, unchangeable record of every transaction ever made. It's like writing it in a ledger that no one can alter. Boom! Alice gets her lava lamp, Bob gets his blockchain bucks, and everyone can sleep soundly knowing the transaction is secure and transparent. The beauty of blockchain is that it makes sure everyone is on the same page and no one can tamper with the records. Section 4. Unbreakable chains and cryptographic superpowers. Now, you might be wondering, what's stopping some digital hooligan from messing with the blockchain? Well, my friend, blockchain has cryptographic superpowers. Every block in the chain is linked to the one before it, creating an unbreakable chain. Hence the name, get it? This means that to change one block, you'd have to change every single block that came before it, which is about as likely as you winning the lottery twice while being struck by lightning. In short, blockchain is secure, like really, really secure. Section 5. Miners, keys, and the magic of decentralization. Okay, let's talk about miners. In the world of blockchain, miners play a crucial role. They are the backbone of the network, ensuring everything runs smoothly and securely. These aren't dudes with pickaxes and hard hats digging for digital gold. Instead, they are sophisticated machines working tirelessly to maintain the integrity of the blockchain. They're actually powerful computers that solve complex mathematical problems to verify transactions and add them to the blockchain. This process is known as mining, and it requires immense computational power. Think of them as the internet's accountants, but instead of pocket protectors, they have GPUs and a thirst for solving cryptographic puzzles. These puzzles are not just any puzzles, they are cryptographic challenges that ensure the security and validity of each transaction. And what about those keys you hear so much about? Keys are fundamental to the security and functionality of blockchain technology. Everyone on the blockchain has two keys, a public key and a private key. These keys are cryptographic tools that allow users to send and receive transactions securely. Your public key is like your bank account number. It's safe to share. It allows others to send you funds without compromising your security. Your private key, however, is like your PIN code. Keep it secret, keep it safe. This key is used to authorize transactions and access your funds. This system ensures that only you can access your funds and that every transaction is authorized and secure. The combination of public and private keys creates a robust security framework. It's like having a digital Fort Knox for your money, but instead of guarded by soldiers, it's guarded by math. The best part? This mathematical security is virtually unbreakable. Blockchain is decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. This decentralization is what makes blockchain so revolutionary and resilient. It's like the internet of money, free, open, and accessible to everyone. This openness ensures that anyone, anywhere, can participate in the financial system without needing permission from a central authority. Section 6, Beyond Bitcoin, Blockchain's World Domination Tour. Now you might be thinking, this blockchain thing sounds cool and all, but isn't it just for Bitcoin? Well, let me tell you, it's so much more than that. Oh, my sweet summer child, you have no idea how vast and transformative this technology can be. Blockchain is so much more than just cryptocurrency. It's a foundational technology with the potential to revolutionize, well, pretty much everything you can think of. It's a technology with the potential to revolutionize, well, pretty much everything, from finance to healthcare, from supply chains to voting systems. Blockchain is making waves. Think supply chain management, where blockchain can track products from farm to table, ensuring authenticity and ethical sourcing. Imagine knowing exactly where your food comes from and how it was produced. Imagine voting systems that are impossible to rig, where your vote is secure and your voice is truly heard. No more doubts about election integrity. Smart contracts, self-executing agreements written in code, can automate complex transactions, cutting out the middleman and saving time and money. These contracts execute themselves when conditions are met, making business more efficient. The possibilities are literally endless, from real estate to entertainment, from energy to education. Blockchain is poised to transform every sector. The future is decentralized, and it's happening now. Section 7. Blockchain. The future is now, and it's awesome. Blockchain might sound complicated, but at its core, it's about trust, transparency, and efficiency. It's about cutting out the middleman and giving power back to the people. It's about creating a more secure, efficient, and equitable world, one block at a time. So the next time you hear the word blockchain, don't run for the hills. Embrace it, learn about it, because the future is here, and it's decentralized, secure, and oh so blockchain-y.